there, and welcome back to Chronically Overdressed. I'm Christine, the Glambassador. Today I'm going to show you a really simple summer hairstyle that you can do that gets your hair up off of your neck. And I'm going to be using a pretty surprising tool. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I wear it quite often. I started doing this when I was in Hawaii. I kind of perfected it. It took me a while to figure out the absolute perfect tool to create this style. But I found it and I'm going to share it with you, and I hope you enjoy it. Before I begin my tutorial, I just want to say if you are enjoying my channel and my tutorials or any of the content that I put together, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel and make sure that you like and send me comments. I love all of the information that you guys send and all of the comments that you give me, but it really does help my channel to grow. So if you're enjoying yourself, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, so the tools that you're going to need for this hairstyle are bobby pins. If you do have the larger and smaller sizes of bobby pins, that would be great. We are going to do just a couple small pin curls, and the smaller bobby pins just really work well for that. But if you only have one size, that's perfectly fine. And I'm going to be using a chignon size hairnet because it gives the right shape and size for what I'm looking for. But if you have longer hair or more hair or just a lot of it, you may be able to get away with the bob size of hairnet. It's just slightly larger than the bun size, but smaller than the regular size. So it just depends on how much hair you have and how much you actually want it up off of your neck. The other item that you're going to need is kind of a surprise item, which took me a really long time to figure out, and that is a banana clip. I know, throwback to the 90s here. We're not going to be using it the same way that we used to back then, but it does help to secure all of the hair in the size and shape that we want it. So I'm going to have links to all of these tools down in the description for you so you can easily find them. Essentially, this hairstyle just uses the half up, half down concept. So anything that's going to separate the hair from kind of this front section and the back section, you can do whatever you want in the front. Today I'm doing my typical 1940s half up, half down. I will add my tutorial here for you so you can learn how to do that. But you can do a half poodle, you can do victory rolls, or just pin curls in the front. You could do a Dita bun, you could do bumper bangs. There's so many options that you can put this together, and just do the same thing in the back, and then you've got a bunch of different options for the front. So but today I'm only going to show you how to do the back style. Okay, so we just really want to make sure that this crown back here is nice and smooth. So I'm just brushing this out just to right here, because I really want to make sure that the rest of my hair is nice and big and fluffy, because I'm going to manipulate it into a little bit more of a kind of a curly mess, really. But I really want this top part to really be nice and smooth. Okay, so I'm going to turn around so you can see what I'm doing in the back of my hair. So we're just going to brush this down, kind of take it as if you're going to take a ponytail, and you're going to grab your banana clip with only one side unhooked. And I like to try to get the bottom part under the hair and pushed up as much as possible so it can really grab the hair. And then just bring this down, and you want to make sure that you get the side that's open. want to make sure you're getting all the hair collected in there. And just snap it in. And there we go. Just kind of pull that out, get it nice and tight in there. And so this is going to give us our kind of across the head silhouette that we're wanting. That way, you know, if we just did a ponytail or a bun, it kind of pulls the hair a little too tight for me. So I like to have this kind of spread out across the back. So, but we don't necessarily want the banana clip to show. So I'm just going to strategically place some little curls and bring some of the hair up to cover it up. So I'm going to grab some of my smaller bobby pins and just kind of take the side, the kind of the end section here, like this, and I'm just going to roll it up into a little bit of a pin curl, like that. And I want to make sure that it's up above the banana clip there. So it kind of hides that side portion of the banana clip, okay? And then I'm going to do that same thing on the other side. So just take this last section and just make a little pin curl, roll that up, try and cover that end section there. I'm actually gonna secure these with 2 bobby pins because these sides tend to like to come out. Do that on the other side here. And again, remember to crisscross your bobby pins if you want that extra security. Okay, so now I'm going to take a couple of my longer bobby pins, and again, because I'm trying to cover the actual banana clip, I don't want to show what that what that is. I don't want to show how the secret of how I'm getting this hairstyle. So I'm going to take just a little bit of hair, oops, here. I'm going to separate that out just a little bit, and I'm just going to bring it up right above the edge of this, the banana clip. And I'm holding it there with my thumb, taking my long bobby pin, and I'm just kind of running that right along the edge of the top of the banana clip. Okay, so it's holding my hair that I've got in my thumb, and then I'm attaching it to the back of my hair. And I'll take another one from this side, and I'm making sure that those bobby pins crisscross each other so they're nice and secure. And so that kind of creates this, I don't know, it hides the banana clip a little bit better. And you can pull a little bit more hair if you want. Okay. So then you have just this nice big poofy section of hair. And this is where the hairnet comes in. So these are the bun hairnets, and they're pretty small, but I mean, they work really well for this size of hair. This would not fit over all of my hair if it was all kind of down. So these bun sizes work really well for this kind of style. So I'm just gonna gather all the rest of that hair into this hairnet here. And you absolutely don't have to use the hairnet. If your curls are looking really great, you can just arrange the curls in a nice pin curl fashion to cover up the banana clip. You don't have to use the hairnet, but I'm at like day 5 of my wet set, and yeah, my hair's getting a little frizzy and not real crazy about it. So the hairnet is great for me, and it keeps all of my hair off of my neck, so I don't have to worry about any of the curls, falling out. And then I just like to take a couple of bobby pins just right into the hairnet, just to kind of keep it, again, secure. But the elastic on the hairnet is pretty good, as long as you haven't reused it too many times. But just for a little extra security, just put a couple of those in, and then I don't have to worry about it. Okay, and that is it. It's super simple. It's very secure. The banana clip really holds all of the hair in there, and as long as you're crisscrossing your bobby pins, you really shouldn't have any issues with your little curls falling out. But yeah, I mean, it's with the bobby pins, the banana clip, and the hairnet, it's all pretty secure in there. You can easily put some hair flowers in the back if you want. You can put hair flowers on the side. That would look really cute. But it's such a great hairstyle to get your hair up off of your neck, and I wear this a lot in the summertime when it's really hot, and I just love it. So I hope this works out for you. Please let me know down in the comments if you like this style, if you'd like more styles that get the hair up off the neck, or if you have any suggestions of what styles that you would like me to do. Please send me those in the comments. I would very much appreciate any type of recommendations for hairstyles for you. Well, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Bye.